Hi everyone! I'm going to show you how to grill salmon with a frying pan in Japanese way today. Before grilling, you need just a little bit of preparation. Here, I have 2 slices of salmon. They are raw and very fresh. Japanese salmon is usually salted for the preservation purpose, so I will sprinkle some salt to make a closer taste to Japanese salmon today. The salinity concentration of the salmon at the supermarkets is usually set within a range of 3 to 5% or sometimes even 10%. Some are way too salty for me. I prefer less salty food, so I use only 2% of salt. First, weigh your salmon. Usually the package tells you how much weight your salmon is. My salmon weighs about 270 grams, so I need about 5 grams of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt is about 5 grams. Just sprinkle the salt over the salmon and rub into it. I'm wearing gloves today for the video shooting. I don't usually wear gloves for home cooking. Remember to wash your hands after touching raw fish to avoid food poisoning. That's pretty important. Okay, then wrap them and store in a refrigerator. Let them rest overnight. If you are in a hurry wanting to eat the salmon today, just wait at least 10 minutes. This way, you can induce excess water and get rid of the substance which causes bad smell of fish. Now I'm gonna wrap the other one. Now they're ready. They can go into a refrigerator overnight or even last 2 or 3 days, like this. Okay, now these are salmon which rested in a refrigerator overnight. Besides that, I have a daikon radish and a lemon for garnish. You see, you can get the extra water out of it by adding some salt. Wipe off the water very well. By this process, you can get rid of the distinctive fish smell. Oh, look at the salmon. It became firm and delicious because of the preparation. Okay, now I do the same with another one. Now the salmon is ready to be grilled. Okay, set a frying pan on the gas top. And here, it is the secret of how to grill your fish in a frying pan. Cut off the parchment paper and place into the frying pan. Now, you see the corners? These are out of the frying pan, so the corners might catch the fire. So I'm gonna cut off with scissors. Just to make sure the parchment paper does not go over the frying pan. Otherwise, it might catch the fire. Then pour some oil and spread the oil over the parchment paper. Now place the salmon in the frying pan. Then now turn the heat to medium high. Let's grill for 3 to 4 minutes. While pan grilling the salmon, let's prepare the lemon and daikon radish. Cut into half, and I'm gonna cut the lemon into wedges. Okay, cut into 4s and 8s, and remember to cut to the middle like this. This way you can avoid splashing over the lemon over the table. This is a nice way. Just remember I usually do this. Also take out the seeds like this. Another one here. Another one here. Okay. Then I'm gonna store the rest of the lemon into this jar so that I can use them for other dishes. I keep 2 of them. Now let's prepare daikon radish. Just cut into half. Then you don't need to peel all of the skin. Just peel just the brown parts like this. Then grater. I have two graters. The round one is very convenient. You can use on top of the bowls like this. A smaller one, it perfectly fits onto smaller one or bigger one as well. Today I'm gonna use the smaller bowl. Okay, now let's grate the daikon radish. Yeah, grating daikon radish is a kid's job. I remember when I was a kid, while my mother was cooking, this was my job. It reminds me of my childhood. Okay, daikon radish is ready. Alright, by now salmon is nearly done. You see the color difference? It's getting whiter. So now it's almost done. Okay, nicely take out of the parchment paper and you can flip over. Okay, it's a little bit overdone, but it's okay, it looks good. Cook the other side just for 1 to 2 minutes. Here I have 2 rectangle plates for fish. We transfer the salmon to the plate. Looks beautiful. Another one. And grated daikon radish. Just about 1 tablespoon each. And 1 more tablespoon for the other one. And place 1 wedge of lemon. Now it's done. Here you go, pan-grilled salmon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my video, please consider subscribing. That's gonna be my motivation. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.